In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budget versus actual costs in Stack. We'll walk through how to set a clean baseline, capture what really happens in the field, and compare the two so you can spot issues early and stay in control. Start by building a solid, cost-based estimate. This becomes your baseline budget and everything else will measure against it. Open your project in Stack. Build and head to estimates. Make sure every item has an accurate unit cost and that you've defined labor, material, and equipment. If you use cost codes, apply them here. A helpful best practice is to break your estimate into trade level or phase level items. Smaller, well-labeled buckets make tracking much more meaningful and help you see where money is actually going. Keep your cost codes consistent across the whole project. Cost codes are the thread that connects your budget, field progress, and actual costs. Assign them to estimate items and then use those same codes in your workflows, daily reports, and any issues or change items. When the codes match everywhere, Stack can line up planned versus actuals accurately without manual reconciliation. Next, capture the actuals using daily reports. This is your primary source of real-world cost data. Each day, record labor hours per trade, the crew size, equipment used, and production quantities. Add notes on delays or inefficiencies so you have context for any dips in productivity. Stack will automatically turn labor hours into actual labor cost based on the rates you've defined. The more precise your daily entries, the more reliable your cost tracking will be. Use workflows to keep cost-related tasks visible and moving. Create workflow items tied to the relevant cost codes and budget lines. Add planned start and end dates, assign a responsible party, and update status as work progresses. This keeps your schedule and your cost burn aligned so you can tell whether you're spending faster than you're earning progress. Track cost impacts through issues and changes. Most unexpected costs show up as rework, scope changes, delays, or material shortages. Log those items, attach photos and notes, and include an estimated cost impact. This creates a clear paper trail for overruns, which helps with approvals and future lessons learned. Finally, review your budget versus actual reports. Depending on your subscription, you'll see cost and production views that compare estimated and actual quantities, estimated and actual labor hours, and variances by cost code or trade. Focus on over-budget items, productivity gaps, and early warning signs. The sooner you catch a variance, the easier it is to correct course.